ಹಲೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು. ಇವತ್ತು ತುಂಬಾ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ದಿನ. ಏನಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟಿವ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಹೆಸರು ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ KM ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಮೂರ್ತಿ, ವೈದೇಹಿ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಚೇಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ past president, along with his committee members. In his syndicate, 14 people are there. That is Mr. BV Reddy, BV Gopal Reddy, who was also the president of Chamber of Commerce. ಮತ್ತೆ MV ಅಶೋಕ್ ಅವರು, ಮತ್ತೆ ನವೀನ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸತ್ಯನಾರಾಯಣ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಮಗ ಪವನ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು, who is also my brother, and ಬಾಲಕೃಷ್ಣ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರು, ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರು, ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು, and finally Mr. ಕೃಷ್ಣ, ವೆಂಕಟಾಚಲಂ ಅವರು, ಸುರೇಶ್ ಅವರು, ದಯಾಮಯಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ವರ್ಣಶ್ರೀ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್. So I request everybody to come and cast your precious GMC Bank vote for this syndicate, Mr. KM Srinivas Murthy's syndicate. Mr. KM Srinivas Murthy's grandfather was the founder of this bank, and also his father and brother were also past presidents of this bank. So we request all the beautiful bank members, our beautiful voters, to come and cast your beautiful vote for all these beautiful people, 14 people who have worked for the upliftment of the bank throughout these years, over 100 years. So this bank has been 100-year-old bank. So I really wish all the candidates all the best and best in the future. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟಿವ್, uh, they are they are into basically they're doing housing, and they're also looking into the agriculture sector in farming. They also would want to expand one of the branch in KR Puram, as we have highest number of our Telugu speaking people, and Balijas ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಲಿಜ ಸಂಗಮ ಅವರು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, we want to put another branch in Krishnarajpuram very shortly, if my father's committee comes in. And I am Chaitanya Adikeshwalu. I am Janasena district in charge for Chittoor, and I'm also in the Prachara committee, and I'm also Mr. KM Srinivas Murthy's daughter. Uh, Thank you. As a president, then we are most likely we are going to look into we are going to look into more agriculture farming sector ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಮತ್ತು ಹೌಸಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರಲ್ಲೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, what are the type of insurances that we can explore, and what is the kind of CSR activities that we can look into, and various applications and digital platforms. We want to do much more integrations, basically digital integrations in this system, and we also um, think of I don't know how to answer this, but we intend to collaborate with the best of the best international banks, so that we also have a traffic pollution of the NRIs as well. Doing sponsoring a lot of social activities, and
Education supporting.
supporting schools and colleges, and sponsoring a lot of people scholarships, and and we'll also expand our wings into the textile sector, which is into the handlooms, and we've been working with a lot of weavers, almost a lakh weavers across, to come out with something really beautiful by end of 2024.
Thank you.
Shri Pawan Kalyan Garu for supporting people like us, upcoming entrepreneurs like us, upcoming politicians like us. Thank you, sir, for being there for all of us. Your ideologies and initiatives, and the things that you have manifested, are have been coming true, and we heartfully wish that all your endeavors in life may come true. Thank you, sir, for supporting all of us. And this is Mr. Shashi, also a Janasena member, and this is Usha, also a Janasena member, hailing from Tenabanda, and he is hailing from 22nd Ward, Chittoor. Yeah, and Putal, to actually make this election a possible. So thank you one and all, and thank you our Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan Garu for helping and supporting us.